वेलकम बैक। टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू टॉक अबाउट अ टेक्निक, एक तरीके का टेक्निक जो कि बहुत सारे ट्रेडिशनल मार्शल आर्ट्स के फॉर्म्स में देखा जाता है। लाइक इन कता ऑफ कराटे वी कैन सी दिस, इन सम कलारीपायट्टू फॉर्म्स वी कैन सी दिस, इन रेसलिंग ऑफ कोर्स वी कैन सी दिस,
Even in the starting of karate, when you see Gedam Rai Kamate.
राइट कराटे ओके
Yeah.
मैनी टेक्निक्स लाइक ये जो आपने इंट्रो में टेक्निक देखी, इट वाज मोर रेसलिंग इश, बट the transition and the basic concept behind this can be seen in Kalaripayattu, karate and many other martial arts and especially wrestling. हाँ तो सर इसका कॉन्सेप्ट क्या है, कौन सी है वो टेक्निक?
Yeah, it is basically somebody your opponent is in front, right?
Right, okay.
You are doing a sort of
movement
like this. Okay.
Right.
So you are basically using the thigh to take the opponent back. Like, see, I'm not doing like this. I'm just doing that.
Okay, I'm
See,
pushing up.
So the balance is gone.
सो इसका बेसिक कॉन्सेप्ट ये है कि आप कैसे किसी के पैर के पीछे टांग अड़ाते हैं।
Adanga.
हाँ राइट।
In wrestling, there is a word called adanga. You can Google it.
Right.
There is a technique, adanga, right? Yeah.
I didn't know about that. अभी आपके मन में यही डाउट है कि इतना पास कौन आने देगा? आई कैन पंच हिम, राइट? नोबडी विल अलाउ टू डू लाइक दिस। इफ यू कम क्लोजर टू मी लाइक दैट, आई कैन पंच यू। मोर ओवर, इफ दिस इज पॉसिबल, इफ दैट इज पॉसिबल, आई विल नॉट फॉल ऑन माई सेल्फ। अगर मैं गिरता गिरता किसी और को भी लेके जाऊंगा, बिकॉज बेसिक ह्यूमन नेचर इज दैट अगर आप कभी कभी सीढ़ी पे उतरते रहे वाइल यूर क्लाइंबिंग डाउन स्टेप्स एंड समटाइम्स यू मिस अ स्टेप, द फर्स्ट बेसिक ह्यूमन रिएक्शन इज टू गेट होल्ड ऑफ समथिंग। कुछ पकड़ना चाहता है इंसान जब भी उसका बैलेंस बिगड़ता है। तो ऐसी टेक्निक्स आप मार्शल आर्ट के वीडियो में देखेंगे, सेल्फ डिफेंस के वीडियो में देखेंगे, यू विल फाइंड आउट मोस्ट ऑफ द सेल्फ डिफेंस वीडियोस दे आर सेइंग लाइक यू पुश द ओपोनेंट एंड ही विल फॉल डाउन। नो, he will take you and you both will be on the ground. So the problem is getting to this technique and what will you do after this technique, right? So the first problem with this, usually हम ऐसे stance में होते हैं, opposite stance में होते हैं, right? Like usually it is like this. So maybe this doesn't work all the time, nothing works all the time, right? आप usually you face punches, straight punches, things like that. If you are successful in going back and if you are not too much squared with this person, if you are over here like this, and if this is possible, if you can go out, now you can get in. I'm not talking about walking straight into this person's punch. No, I'm talking about using some head movement, trying to go down, because it's the same techniques, right? Like you go down, you punch like this, right? You go down, you punch like this. Same thing can be used with the front leg. So the movement is here I'm going forward, here I'm going forward, but at the same time I need to avoid this punch. Is this risky? Yes.
Application, if you, Sudarshan said, if you can go like that,
Okay.
right, then many application you can apply in between, like, right, go,
Okay.
go,
So not only pushing, you can use your fancy whatever you are having, your martial arts. If it is boxing, go for some body shot, Kalaripayattu, use some mudra, anything, whatever you are comfortable with. Your techniques you can include in between this if possible. To get to this technique, it is not easy, but there are some skills that you need as prerequisite. Already बहुत सारी चीजें आनी चाहिए, timing, distance management, क्योंकि ये technique थोड़ा advanced type है. The next problem with this technique is, okay, if I am able to get inside like that and if I push, of course he will go off balance, but usually somebody getting off balance, he will get to catch something, he will catch my hair, he will get hold of my dress and something like that, and both of us will be on the ground. Is it risky on the ground? Very risky. We are not professional wrestlers. We do not feel comfort, both of us, we do not feel comfortable on the ground. Because basically our art is karate, right? It is more striking. I know many wrestling techniques are there in karate, but still we are comfortable with long range.
striking, long range.
But these things are more important according to me. Why? Because if we are at a fighting range, अगर हम इतना दूर हैं, kicking range, things like this, still the fight can be avoided. Maybe you can run, but once you get close, you're on the ground, elbow and all is going on. Now you can't avoid that. So those techniques, those skills are important, but it is never a good idea to go on the ground. If you don't know how to fight on the ground, अगर आपके पास wrestling, grappling के skills नहीं है और आप किसी के साथ जमीन पे गिर जाते हैं on the ground, if both of you don't have any skill, only the stronger person will win. और ये skill पे depend नहीं करेगा क्योंकि आप दोनों को ही नहीं आता. तो जमीन पे वही जीतेगा जो ज्यादा स्ट्रांग होगा, जो ज्यादा बड़ा होगा, और इतना बड़ा रिस्क आपको नहीं लेना चाहिए. सो मे बी यू आर वेरी लकी एंड यू कैन एस्केप. यू आर सक्सेसफुल इन गोइंग इनसाइड, cutting the punch and going inside. Your foot is placed behind this, and now you can take the person like this. But usually what happens is वो अकेला नहीं गिरेगा, आपको लेके जाएगा.
इसको पकड़ रहा हूँ.
Right? Something will happen. He'll get hold of something, right? Because if you see over here, he has my arm. Right? और गिरता हुआ बंदा, उसको कुछ भी मिल जाए वो पकड़ लेता है. So the problem is you will go on the ground. But still it is not a very big problem because you will be on the top. And on the ground, who is on the top has advantage. Is it risky? Yes. But the technique is in advance, right? तो हम सोच सकते हैं कि ये सारी चीज़ें आपको पहले से आती थी. Right? So the technique is cutting in, you're going in. This is possible, right? You can go in like this. And now use your body and this. If you manage to go down like this, go down, punch, things like that. In this situation, my hand is going under, right? यहाँ से under से आ रहा है. Now, if the punch or something is attack is somewhat lower, or you are very tall, now this can be ऊपर से also, right? You can go ऊपर से. And now, maybe some other things are also possible. Now as you can see in this technique, I am placing my foot outside in this manner, but it can be also done in some other way. Now in this technique you can see I am using the same concept of tripping the opponent and making him lose balance, but this time I am using the same side leg, the foot that was almost on the same side, see, and it comes from the outside, almost opposite to the leg that I used, but the same concept. So to use this technique I am using some distraction, also known as a palm strike. Now after that palm strike I'll get some time, and now what I need to do is go low. So I'm using kind of an arm drag and moving my head to a safer position and using my leg. And now we can go down. I know this is not safe, but still. So that's all for today. किसी के टांग के पीछे अपनी टांग अड़ाना, and it is risky, but if you can get into that, if you have experience, it is possible, right? This is a technique which can be seen in katas like your Gedambara, your your Sengoku Dachi in karate and other wrestling techniques. It can be transition into arm drag and you can take down like in intro video with it. ऐसा हो सकता है. So this is just an introduction कि ऐसी भी एक टेक्निक होती है. इसको अपने हिसाब से, अपनी आर्ट के हिसाब से, अपने दिमाग के हिसाब से, अपनी चीज में लगाइए और अपना बनाइए. So if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe and press the bell icon. Subscribe to our छोटा वाला चैनल कराटे टी वाले भैया. ये वाला अगर आपको पसंद आ रहा है कलरी धोती, you can order online, link is in description. और क्या हो सकता है, follow me on Instagram, है कि नहीं?
वेबसाइट जरूर.
Yes, वेबसाइट, हमारा वेबसाइट भी है. क्या है?
karatetv.in.
एंड ऑफ कोर्स आपको तो अभी तक याद हो गया होगा, लेकिन हम कभी कभी भूल जाते हैं. कराटे टी ऑनलाइन क्लास, पर्सनल और ग्रुप क्लास भी अवेलेबल है. लिंक इज इन डिस्क्रिप्शन.